Hello everyone! I just started a new video series called Practical Plugins. In this series, I will show you the plugins I wrote for MagicDraw or for other applications. Today's topic is theme support. I just created a new plugin that allows you to change the default theme or so-called look and feel in Java for MagicDraw. My name is Zsolt and I will be your host today. To download the plugin, you need to check out the code from the following location and follow the instructions described in the README file. First, I like to show you what I created. So, when you have a Cameo MagicDraw running, in the options menu, you have something called look and feel. This is basically the theme that MagicDraw is using. Here you can select in between the various themes, so like this way or that way. As you can see, the icons and the labels and the menu entries and the scroll bar also changes when you change the theme. What I created is a custom theme support, and this theme is called Flat Look and Feel, and it's an open source theme which looks very nice on Linux. So it has those various components. This is how it looks, and by clicking here, as you can see, they even have some kind of dark mode. So this is so easy to change the look and feel. So I basically added this support to MagicDraw the following way. When you have the plugin installed, you can go into the tools and select Flat Look and Feel, and from this list you can select the expected theme, for example Flat of Light, and just press apply. As you can see, the button is changed, the scroll bar is changed. The installation of this plugin is not so very easy because it consists of two steps. The first step is either build or download the plugin and install it into MagicDraw. One solution, probably that's the easiest way, to just download this zip file and extract it into your MagicDraw plugins folder. So imagine you downloaded this zip file and you have this plugins folder inside MagicDraw or Cameo, and you just open it and copy and paste it here. So you will see those files, and the plugin XML describes the plugin. The look and feel jar is what I actually created, so this is the plugin that creates this menu item and the ability to select from the various themes. And those two jar files are basically written by this third party, so those are the open source libraries. So that's the first step that you need to do. However, we have a second step as well, which I described here. Okay, so what we need to do is to copy this jar file, you see, into this lib folder. So I can just copy it like from here to there. So as you can see, we have this jar file here, and we need to change the configuration. So whenever MagicDraw starts, it will load this particular jar file. And the reason for that is really technical. In order to use the look and feel, it has to be loaded together with the other libraries and not as a plugin. And in order to do so, as it's described here, there is a classpath.jar file. This is a little bit like hackish, but yeah. So this is this jar file. Jar file is basically a zip file. So you can like open it like this way, and it has a folder called meta inf, and in this folder there is a file. This is a textual file called manifest.mf. So I can like copy it like here, and then I can simply just edit it. And as you can see, it has a key value pairs. So like manifest version is 1.0, there is some ant version, there is some created by, and then there is a class path. And this class path is the list of the jar files, so the libraries that are loaded when MagicDraw starts. So what you need to do is just basically go at the end of this line, and here you need to add this entry, so this flatlove minus 2.5.jar. So you just like flatlove minus 2.5.jar. So you need to write it here, and of course separate it by a space, and then you can save it, of course. And when you are done, so you can view the file and you see that your modification is saved, you can put it back here into this class path.jar. And then you need to restart MagicDraw, and basically that's it. You will have it up and running. One important thing is when you are using like Windows, or whether the Cameo MagicDraw is at some location that is protected by like root or like a system administrator. So like if you are installing Cameo into like program files in case of Windows, then you need to have those elevated right to do this edit. So it might happen that you need to ask for support by your system administrator. Thank you so much for your attention, and have a nice day.